Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the engine oil filter and air filter on Volkswagen Golf 6 1.6 petrol. So this is the engine 1.6. The oil filter cap is right there. That's the oil filter right there. And the air filter is here on the right in this air filter box. So first we're going to loosen the oil filter cap. Next we're going to go underneath the car and drain the oil. In order to drain the oil, this is the drain plug right there, we're going to remove the drain plug. The oil filter is located right there, so in order to get access to it, we need to remove this engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we're going to remove the oil drain plug and drain the oil. Next we're going to remove the oil filter. That's the oil filter tool that I'm using to remove the oil filter. That's the oil filter removed. Now I'm going to put on the new oil filter. Before putting on the new oil filter, make sure you lubricate this O-ring with oil before putting it back on. Now that the oil has drained, I'm going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next I'll show you in the service manual the oil capacity and the tightening torques for the drain bolt and the oil filter, and also what kind of oil we're going to be using. It's either 530 or 1040 and classification is VW 502. Next I'll start filling the engine with oil. Like we saw in the service manual, this engine needs 4.5 liters. Once we fill the engine up with oil, we can put the oil filter cap back on and we can check the oil dipstick. But before checking your dipstick, you should turn on the car, start it, run it for about 20 seconds and turn it off, then wait 5 minutes for the oil to level up and then check the dipstick. Next, we're going to be replacing the air filter. The air filter is located right there and it's held by those 4 screws. Once we remove the 4 screws, we're going to lift up the air filter cover, and in order to remove the air filter, there's another bolt, another screw right there that we need to remove that holds the air filter. We're going to remove it along with this plastic and take out the air filter and replace it with a new one. You put the new air filter in exactly the same way. Next, we're going to put the air filter cover back on and tighten the bolts, and then we're done with replacing it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.